Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro here. For all you DIYers, when you're dealing with an iPhone 12 and 11 and newer models, the NFC charger, you want to be extraordinarily careful as it can be damaged. And when you do your own repairs, make sure that you're adhering here and here, but don't put any adhesive here. In this particular case, this person had put adhesive on the battery and the battery was slipping around and it ripped the NFC charger, which is connected to the on-off button, which causes us to have to go back in and do the repairs. As you can see, it's ripped there, it connected to there, and there's adhesive all the way along here and all the way along here. All right, thanks guys.